All right, if you've been following along, this is Project 1608. Just wanted to give you an update on this. If you're not familiar, we named this Project 1608 because this is a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. It's 16 years old, and we are giving it to our daughter, who has just turned 16 years old. So that's kind of the reason why we named it Project 1608. It just came back from the paint shop. He had it for about a month. And this was an all-over paint, roof, doors, everything, all panels removed. Even the taillights, headlights were all pulled out. Hood taken off, bumpers taken off, and painted off the vehicle, and then reassembled. He did not paint the door jambs, but they didn't really need anything. We're kind of doing what I would call a restore and refresh for this vehicle for my daughter. So there's many more accessories that I've got to change out and add to this thing, but this is a current status update. We did change out these mirrors. These are aftermarket mirrors, and we opted to go ahead and paint them. So give it a little more premium look. You'll see on the running boards, we decided to paint those as well, except for the tread steps. That gives it a little bit more premium look. She wanted to keep the chrome handles and a couple little chrome accents. I know a lot of people are going away from that now, but I think once we get the wheels on here, it's really going to add to it and give it that nice look. I've already put the rear spoiler back on. That is an aftermarket rear spoiler. I do like how that fit. It went on pretty nice. I'll do a separate review on that. And I do like the fact that it's got a longer third brake light than some of the factory versions. So that's going to turn out really good. Give you that nice walk around. You can see we painted the back of those mud flaps too. Painted those silver, gives it a little bit more premium look. I have already repainted the roof rack. I did that here while he was painting the vehicle, and really that's just spray paint, a couple of coats of spray paint, and I did replace those caps. So you'll be able to see that. I'll do that in a separate review as well. I'll give you an update on that. I think it's going to turn out really nice. I'm very pleased with the way the paint turned out. I've got a lot more to do on this before I give it over to my daughter. And hopefully you can kind of see what this vehicle looks like after a full repaint. If this information was helpful, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.